Hi, now we are going to learn about how to work with browser based application. We need to remember two things when you are working with a browser based application. Always, most of the time, try to use Internet Explorer. Only Internet Explorer you have to work with. So that is the first thing. So now the new versions we can work with Google Chrome and Firefox also, but previous versions like 5 we don't have options, but we can work with only Internet Explorer. And then second rule is always your internet zoom, this should be 100%. Always your internet zoom should be 100%. These are the basic rules. So when before working with your browser based application. Now, let's see what we are going to do with this application. First, we will decide what are the elements and what are the actions we need to perform, and then what we are going to automate here in this application. Now, here we have launched google.com. Okay, when we launched, then we have this home page. Now, observe this. I clicked on I am feeling lucky. When we click on I am feeling lucky, we have this search doodles. What it will do, it will show you all the doodles each and every day it is displaying on our homepage, right? That speciality of that particular day. What is the special for that particular day? Any specific days, any famous personality birthdays, or any country occasions, whatever it may be. So it will show you in your Google homepage, right? From this, I need to search specifically Mother's Day. Mother's Day. I have typed here and then I clicked on a search button. When you click on a search button, we have for the Mother's Day, we have so many images here. From this, so let's click on the first image and then here we required this date and then this description. See this date and then this description we required from this. This is our requirement. What we need to do from the starting. So let's observe this. So first we need to launch the Google. Second, we need to click on I am feeling lucky. So we need a element for this. Then when you click on feeling lucky, so we are what we are doing, click. Click is a action. Next, search doodle. This is a element. In a search doodle, what we are doing, we are typing Mother's Day. Mother's Day, typing. So we are writing here. Writing is an action. The element is search box. After that, click on search button here. Search button is an element. Clicking here is an action. Okay, when you click here, this is an element and then we click action. Again, this image is an element. We are clicking here. Click, right? Click is an action. Then this is an element, date, and then information is an element. Here what we are going to do, we need to capture this. So we need to read. Read is an action here. So once our task is done, we are going to close our window. That is the last action, that is a terminate. So these are the elements and then actions we need to perform for this particular Google Doodles application. So before going to perform this, so let's recall this. What are the things we need to remember? Always it should be Internet Explorer. That is the best thing. When you are working with any browser based application, then your zoom should be 100%. And one more thing we need to remember, when you spy elements for browser based application, your spy mode will be HTML mode. And we need to uncheck parent URL. Parent URL. This is by default. We need to uncheck parent URL attribute. And then wherever we don't have values, those things we are going to, anyway, we are going to uncheck. So in next session, we'll see how to work with this Google Doodles browser based application. Thank you.